guys, in this video, in those parts and tutorials, we're gonna be doing this COVID coronavirus game, and yeah, stay tuned for other videos or tutorials like that one. Hi guys, today we're gonna be doing a COVID-19 shooter game. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna do like that's gonna be part 1. So yeah, let's start. So that's gonna be the good cell. Good cell. You're gonna call it like that. You're gonna do it blue, like this. Oh, change the background to a color, maybe gray. I kind of like gray. It's a cool color. Maybe light gray. That's better. So go to good cell. Like, let's change his size to 300 maybe. No, 250, 260. Wait, 260. Yeah, that's gonna do it. So we're gonna make him a face. So we're gonna make him a face. Never like use solid white. It's never use solid white. Use like light gray. Or really, yeah. Yeah, delete that. Like that. That's gonna be the good stuff. So yeah. Now let's start. To go to events, take a when green flag is clicked, go to controls, take a forever loop, take 3 if statements. Gonna put it in the forever loop. Now go to motion, take a move 10 steps. You know what? No. Let's take change X. Oh yeah, let's duplicate that. Just like this. Duplicate this. Take a change Y, duplicate that too. Put it, change Y and change Y. Put it there. Change X. Change X. Oh my god. Now let's put 5 in all of those. Here you're gonna put 5. No, wait, 5. Here, -5. You're gonna put 5. Here, -5. Oh, go to sensing now. Take a key. Oops. Key. You're gonna put if key right arrow is pressed, then change X by 5. Gonna put 1 in all of those. Change. You're gonna put here down arrow, up arrow, and here left arrow. So it should be working now. Yeah, it is. Yeah, you're gonna actually change his face a little bit. So I'm not gonna touch that for now. Oh yeah. So if key right arrow is pressed, then change X by 5. So it's right, and Also switch costume to costume. Switch costume to costume. Oh yeah. You know what? You're gonna take all that. Take that all off. Put there. You're gonna take if else statements. You're gonna put if key up arrow is pressed, then change change Y by 5, and also switch costume to up. If key up is not pressed, then switch to costume. Oh, I didn't create that costume. We're gonna duplicate one, put it there, and call it normal. Call it normal. Then switch to normal. So if you try that, we go up, it goes up. So yeah, now we need to do the same to down and left and right. So duplicate, yeah, like that, and put it in the forever loop. And you're gonna put this to down and -5. And since it says down arrow, you're gonna switch to down, costume down, and that's gonna stay here. That's gonna be left, no, right. This is gonna be left. Change costume to right, change costume to left, or you're gonna take off those. That one, and change it with X. Whoops. Change X. And another one. And check X by -10. Whoa. 5 and -5. So it should work. Ooh. I think there's a problem. Oh. Now it should work. Nope. Huh. Oh, you know what? Take them all off. Except for one. Yeah, that one you can let it here. Now it should work. Yeah, it's working. Because what's doing that is that if the key up is not pressed, it's gonna go to normal. But if you press down arrow, it's still not pressing up, so it's gonna go to costume normal. So that's why you take them off. Yeah. So now it's working. Yeah. Now we want him to shoot. You gotta call that bullet or ammo. Yeah, ammo. And yeah, I'm gonna draw a bullet. And 50 is better. Yeah, like that. So now we want the ammo to shoot. So when flag is clicked, go to looks, but hide. Take a show, and when I start as a clone, then show, go to motion, take a go to good cell, and point in direction, no, point toward mouse pointer, and a repeat until we go to sensing, repeat until touching edge, repeat until touching edge, and delete this clone. So inside here we're gonna put motion and move 10 steps. So what's that gonna do is that when it starts as a clone, it's gonna show, go to the good cell, and it's gonna point toward the mouse pointer, and when you shoot, it's gonna repeat until touching the edge, and it's gonna delete the clone. Yeah, so go to good cell, take a if statement, if, go to sensing, if mouse down, then create clone of MO. So it should be working now. So it shoots bullets now. Yeah, that's cool. But when it shoots the bullets, there's not a lot of spacing. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So, and take a weight onto weight. You're gonna put 0.05. Think that should do it. You know what? Maybe 0.9. Yeah, that's, yeah. So yeah. Yes, so that's how you make a COVID-19 shooter game, and that's part 1, and I'm gonna do a part 2. So peace, bye.